How to send photos in Slack. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Slack application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, in order to send photos in Slack, tap on the DMs option on the bottom of your screen and then open the conversation where you want to send photos. Now, in order to send photos, tap on the plus icon you see there right beside the text box, and you will be able to view all the photos and videos in your library. Or you can also simply record a video clip or upload a file from Drive. You can also tap on the View Library option to get a better view of your library. Further, go ahead and select the photo that you want to send and then tap on the Add option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Send button, and with this, the photo will be sent to that particular individual. So, this was about how you can send photos in Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.